Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use post-processing in Unity to enhance your game visuals. What is post-processing? Post-processing in Unity refers to a set of visual effects applied after the scene is rendered. These effects enhance the final image produced by the camera, making the game look more professional, cinematic, and visually appealing. In Unity, post-processing effects are applied using global volume. This system is built-in for URP Universal Render Pipeline and HDRP High Definition Render Pipeline. However, if you're using the built-in render pipeline, you need to install the post-processing StackV package to access these effects. What is post-processing used for? Post-processing effects help make games and simulations more realistic, immersive, and visually polished. Main use cases include enhancing graphical quality, adjusting light, shadows, and colors to make the scene more vibrant, creating cinematic and realistic effects, adding depth, blur, and light scattering for more impressive visuals, strengthening the atmosphere, using vignette or color grading in a horror game to create a dark and eerie mood, directing player attention, applying depth of field to focus on specific objects and blur the background. Step 1. Importing post-processing package. Open Unity and go to Window greater than Package Manager. In the Package Manager, search for Post-Processing. Select it and click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Now that we have post-processing installed, let's set it up in our scene. Step 2. Creating and assigning a layer. Go to the Inspector panel and find the Layer drop-down at the top. Click Add Layer, then create a new layer, for example, Post-Processing. Assign the Post-Processing Volume Game object to this new layer. Step 3. Enabling post-processing on the camera. Select the main camera in the hierarchy. Go to the Inspector panel and click Add Component. Select the Post-Processing Volume Game object. In the Inspector, click Add Override and choose effects like bloom, color grading, depth of field, etc. Adjust the settings to achieve the desired look. That's it. Now your game has high-quality post-processing effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unity content. See you in the next video.